The Net 7 Collective is a 12-week cohort led by me, where I'm helping Black women from all over the country increase their net worth by $1 million.
For about the past, 3 or 4 years, I've been praying for a business coach. Most successful people have a coach. Coaches have coaches.
I've learned how to purchase land. I've learned how to do overages in real estate. And I even learned some different things with credit, that I've gotten my credit cleaned up with my bankruptcy, that I'm almost in my home stretch. Doing everything right now and applying it.
The fact that we have been exposed to just folks that are just banging, that are like really doing it, like no shit.
I've gotten more out of this than I ever anticipated.
You know, you just never know what you're going to expect. And I'm that person that can't stand all the rah-rah BS. I don't want any rah-rah BS. I want real.
Constance has done an amazing job at placing systems to allow us to understand how to prosper in our businesses.
I'm telling you, I would move heaven and earth not to miss one of these sessions.
Working with Constance was absolutely transformational for my business. Her extensive knowledge and expertise in just being an overall boss, she was able to help me create a step-by-step plan on how to execute, which I closed on the property 2 years ago.
Constance, you definitely under-promised and over-delivered.